Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill in Webflow that'll really help you level up your website navigation. After watching this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create an anchor link from a button on your home page, so that when someone clicks it, they jump straight to a particular section on a different page, like your About page. This is perfect if you want to smoothly guide your visitors right to the content they're looking for, and it's honestly easier than you might think. Let's jump right in and get started. First, make sure you're on your Webflow dashboard and looking at your home page. Find the button you want to use as your anchor link. It could be something like Learn More, Our Story, or whatever makes sense for your site. Go ahead and click on that button to select it. Now, here's the important part. We're not just linking to another page, we want to link to a specific section on that page. So if you want people to click and land halfway down your About page, make sure that section on your About page has an ID setup. For example, maybe your About section has an ID like Team or History. You can double-check this by opening the About page, clicking on the heading or section you want to link to, and looking in the Settings panel for its unique ID. If it doesn't have one, just add it. Something short and memorable works best. Now let's connect the dots. With the button on your home page still selected, head over to the settings for that button, which you'll find in the right sidebar under the gear icon. In the link settings, you'll see a field for URL. This is where you'll tell Webflow where to send visitors. To create a link directly to a section on another page, type in a /, the page name like About, then a hashtag followed by the ID for that specific section. So for example, you'd write /about #team if you want the button to link to the team section on your About page. This formatting is really important. The / gets you to the page, and the hashtag pinpoints the exact section you want to highlight. Take a little moment here to double-check your spelling. No extra spaces or typos, because even a small mistake can cause the link not to work as expected. If you're ever unsure, just open the About page in another tab and look at the section's ID to make sure it matches. Alright, now it's time for the fun part, testing things out and making sure everything feels smooth for your visitors. Click the Preview button at the top of the Webflow editor. Your site should switch into preview mode where you can interact with your buttons exactly like a real user would. Go ahead and click on the button you just set up. If everything's lined up, you should be whisked away straight to the designated section of your About page. It's a tiny detail, but it really makes your site feel professional and seamless, like you've thought about every step your visitor might want to take. If it didn't quite work, don't worry, retrace your steps. Make sure the link in the button matches the ID on the About page section and try again. Sometimes it just takes a quick adjustment. And there you have it. You've just learned how to anchor link from your home page button straight to a section on another page in Webflow. This feature is great for user experience, and it can help boost engagement by leading visitors directly to the content they care about. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Webflow trick you want to learn next. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.